Today's DIY is a Dollar Tree succulent planter. All items were at $1 each and everything came from the Dollar Tree. Here's everything that you'll need for this project. First, start by gluing the first two coasters together. Make sure to also glue the inside creases for extra support. Then you can go ahead and cut your floral foam to fit the coaster's width after the glue has dried. It should break apart fairly easily. Then just continue gluing the rest of the sides of your coasters together until you form the planter box. I'm using hot glue for video purposes, but E6000 would definitely be a more sturdy choice. Make sure to glue your coasters the same way on either side of the box, and also make sure each coaster is glued to the very edge so that you don't see the inside design like mine. I was shooting from an awkward angle, so mine is a little off. You could easily paint over the coasters first before you start if you wanted for a more clean look. You can also add a fifth coaster to the bottom as a base if you wanted to keep any foam bits from falling out, but that's optional as well. Now you can glue the floral foam into the planter box. Just make sure to reinforce it with extra glue at the bottom. Then go ahead and start arranging your succulents in any design that you like. If you want, you could also fill in the spaces with extra moss, or you can glue it to the foam before inserting the succulents. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys can get my videos in your feed. Let's try to get this video to 500 likes, you guys. If so, I will do a DIY room decor video next week. For watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear what other kinds of room decor ideas you'd like me to put together for you guys.